So this is my training R6, which I sometimes train on and occasionally use for instructing. It's a 2008 to 2016 model, but as you can see, I have a conversion kit here for the 2024 Yamaha R6. It's a complete set from the tachometer bracket to the subframe, so it really looks great, and Motoforza now offers this kind of economical paint option. I've got a black satin finish here, so it looks really nice. I'm already looking forward to riding it again. Once they finish the new asphalt here and the season really gets going, see you on the track.